In this lesson, we're going to look at how we can customize lists and grids used in Sage CRM. Lists are the way in which data is presented in tabular form within the Sage CRM user interface. You can see here that I'm looking at a list returning a set of results from a find screen. We'll see in a moment that the naming convention for the metadata objects mean that lists associated with find screens have the suffix grid. But lists aren't just used for part of the find screen, they're also called from the context of entities and display child information. Here it's displaying the opportunities that are children of the company Eurolandia. And metadata definitions for these lists can be reused within the interface, as the opportunity list is being used here also for the My CRM menu and the team menu. Whether or not the list has any returned data to display, the definition is still there. And it's controlled by the administration screens within customization, and we need to customize an entity, and here we're going to choose opportunity and switch to the tab that displays the list objects. The naming convention allows us to understand that the opportunity grid is used for the find screens to display the result of the search, and opportunity list is called from the context of the tab menus. So that's company, person, my CRM, and team. And I'm going to edit this opportunity list. And here I can add new columns. These are drawn from the underlying view used for the list. And I can also change the order that the columns are displayed in. And I can also change the properties that control behavior, such as allowing the column to be used to sort the list, or the field value that is being used to hyperlink to the parental record. Each of these properties is detailed in the system documentation within the Help Center. And it's also possible to add scripts that control each column as it's loaded into the page, and this is covered in another short lesson. Changes to columns all have to be updated, removed, added before the save is clicked. But once the change to the list has been saved, it changes the user interface immediately. Here I've changed the order of the fields and added a new hyperlink to the person column.